Hi, Maureen.
Hi, Mauro. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So you have a project for me.
I do. We have some outdoor furniture that's in desperate need of your help.
All right, let's take a look at it.
All right.
Wow, Maureen, look at this backyard. Look at the grass, so green.
Yeah, my husband really is the green thumb. That's his domain, but maybe you can help me with the table, and we can give some more life to this.
All right, this is a very nice table. Look at this, the design, and you got the table, you got the chairs. Lots of rusty going around.
Well, it is 15 years old, but they don't make them like they used to. They're all boxy and, you know, this intricate design we really like. So I'm hoping you could help us give it a new life.
Absolutely, we can help you out with that. We're
Awesome.
going to need to do some preparation and bring this table back alive again. Any color in mind that you like to paint?
We'd like it to match the fire pit furniture.
Black?
Black.
You ready to go to work?
Ready.
Let's get some tools and let's do it.
All right.
All right. All right, first thing that we're going to do, we're going to protect everything that we are not painting. In this case, it's going to be the slats, okay? So we're going to use this green tape. Okay. We're going to protect everything, top, sides, and the bottoms. A good paint job comes from a great preparation.
All right.
Here's what we're going to do next with this flexible pad. Just like sanding to remove any loose debris that's on the chair right now.
Okay, so not sandpaper.
Not a sandpaper, but it's a scrub pad. It's really good. It's flexible, and we can go around the curves and everything.
Okay,
All
perfect.
Right? We're going to vacuum to remove any of the residue that stays there. Now it's time to wipe off all the surface with denatured alcohol.
So Mauro, why denatured alcohol?
Because it dries faster and cleans better.
All right.
Look at this, Maureen.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Maureen, look. Nice and clean. Now it's time to spot prime all the rust spots that we can have, all right?
Only the rust?
Yeah, we're not gonna prime the whole thing with this primer.
Okay.
We gotta take care of all the areas that we sand with a lot of rusty.
Okay.
That's the area sand. But first, you gotta do a very good shake on that bottom.
Mine's not making the same sound as yours.
No, go strong. Like you're doing, like you're mixing a good martini.
Ah, okay.
All right, just like that. All right, and you go like this. Just for the rust spots, just like that. One there, one here. The primer that we use for the rusty areas is completely dry. Now we're going to use a different primer for the rest of the chairs, which is good for everything except for the rusty areas. So that's done. Now let's use this primer.
But what if I hit this primer on top of the rusty primer?
If you hit just a little bit, it's totally fine.
Okay.
But just don't go over.
Okay.
All right? You're gonna be about a foot away.
Okay.
We're going to let it dry for about 30 minutes, and then we can start applying the first coat of paint.
All right, it looks like everything's dry. What's next, Mauro?
Okay, we're ready to apply the first of 2 coats, and this is called DTM.
DTM, what does that stand for?
DTM stands for direct to metal. It's a specific paint for metal surface.
Okay,
All right?
excellent. I can't help but notice the paint looks like it's not black. I thought
Looks
we had
like a little green.
It does look a little green.
DTM paint looks like green. Once you apply it, you turn black.
Oh, all right. I will trust you in science, Mauro.
Okay. We'll do the roller first, because I want to see this color right away. And we also using a 3/8 roller nap. For metal, I like to use a short nap.
Okay.
Which will give us a nice and smooth finish. See, that's the roller. This is the roller cover. And this is the 3/8 of an inch. You see here?
Okay, I understand.
All right, which is very thin.
And that works better on metal?
That works better in metal or a very nice flat surface. Now I'm going to use the brush for some hard areas from the roller to reach out, okay? Just like that. We cannot get done with the roller, but the brush works really well here. Let's start prepping the table the same way we did with the chairs.
Wow, Mauro, this looks fantastic.
Looks beautiful. Seeing it before and after, it looks amazing. The chairs, the table, everything looks so good.
Oh my goodness, I hope we can get another 15 years out of it.
You can, so a suggestion for you, get some waterproofing covers for table and chairs. And if you have space where you can store it during the winter, paint job is gonna last a long time.
All right.
See?
Thank you so much.
You had an old table, now you got a new table.
Yes.
All right.
We couldn't have done it without you.
It was very good to meet you and do the work with you. Enjoy it.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.